What's going on, champions? Good morning, everybody from the Czech Republic.
You ain't no little boy no more.
We got the sky's the limit. I'm traveling again. I gotta go northbound. Work calls. Hope y'all doing good. Yo, let's listen to this one song. This song is hot. It's my jam right now. Right here. I love this song. The color violet. Tory Lazen is hot. It's hot. I really like this one. It's very good. Great song. I love this song. It's real good. Hope you champions are doing well wherever you are in the world. You know me. Always the same o. Traveling the Czech Republic. Cloudy all the time here, man. Cloudy. I miss Florida, man. The sun. I need the sun. I wish there was a lot of sun over here, man. It's like the opposite. Florida is like a sun every day, no clouds. And Czech Republic, I gotta make a right here. And Czech Republic is like literally opposite. Clouds every day, and when you do get the sun, it's a miracle. You gotta thank Jesus. We got the sun. Try slow right here. It's a nice little drive going this way right here. That's a funny sign. Those signs remind me of a little white sign, little two lines. It's a little curve. It reminds me of Mario. A little cloud all the time, trying to get you. Yeah, it's a nice little drive through the back roads right here. It's a beautiful life, baby. I wish there was a lot of sun. Come on, Jesus. Drive slow. You gotta drive slow here. Here we go. We can go now. You can do what you want. Just seize the day. Don't you ever worry, nobody behind us. Don't you worry. Well, it's a beautiful life. We've gone through this way before. There's like this little castle right here coming out, like big building. It's pretty cool looking, honestly. Pretty cool looking. Whoa, let me back up. Let me back up. Let me let this guy through. That's how you gotta do it over here. Wait. Heck yeah. What the? Alright. Let's roll. Yeah, these signs right here. Sometimes when they got two lines, kind of look like the Mario Cloud or whatever. Gotta go left right here. Alright. Should see the cloud. We should see the cloud. Should see the castle coming up here. So a really interesting drive right here. Let's see what else we got here. Again, turn my swag on again. It's a Czech song. Or Slovakian? Slovakian. Imagine driving here at night, hammered, just go right through into his living room. Wild. You gotta drive slow here, man. I love this song too. 2 Unlimited, baby. That's right. That's the castle right there. Or, I don't know if it's a castle, but it looks pretty dope. Might have been like a chateau or somewhere for somebody back in the day. Not sure. It's pretty cool looking though. Made a video here one time. Oh yeah, with the little aggro thing. Anyways, man, you guys have a good time. I'll catch you guys later. Everybody jump, jump. Jump for joy. JC, #1.